everyone, it's Ryan here with Perfect Aire. Today I'm going to talk to you guys all about humidifiers and what they are, how they work, and some benefits of having one in your home. So if you're ready, let's get started. If you're completely new to humidifiers and you're not really sure what they do, they're basically devices that just add moisture back into the dry air in the form of mist to really enhance the overall air quality of your home. All you really have to do is just add water into your humidifier and it's going to pump that water back into the air. And as you can see here, it comes out in the form of fine, cool, soothing mist. The cool part is that they have all kinds of different functions too, like aromatherapy, precise humidity controls, night lights, and way more. So now that you know what humidifiers are, let's go over some of the great benefits that using a humidifier provides. First, the added moisture in the air from my humidifier provides relief from all kinds of everyday dryness. So if you live in a hot climate or if you have the heat running all the time, you might suffer from dry skin, cracked lips, itchy eyes. A humidifier can really help relieve your symptoms and keep you feeling moisturized and comfortable all day long. A humidifier can also help to clear your sinus congestion. If your nasal passage gets too dry, it keeps the mucus from moving properly, which sounds pretty gross, but it's actually really important to keep you feeling healthy to avoid any congestion, nosebleeds, sinus headaches, or even coughing that you might experience, because that added moisture from a humidifier can keep your sinuses clean and clear to keep you feeling good and breathing easy all the time. Humidifiers are also good at alleviating allergy, cold, and flu symptoms, and research has actually found that viruses like the flu are more likely to survive in dry environments and just spread around more easily. So using a humidifier is a super simple way to just slow down or even stop the spread of those germs, which is so important to keep you and everyone healthy this season. If you have a pet at home, this humidifier is great to reduce any pet dander, which is actually the leading cause of allergies. The moisture in the air from the humidifier keeps the dander from traveling throughout the air and your home, and it makes it way easier to just breathe and have more fun around your cute pet. Another great benefit of a humidifier is that it improves sleep and can reduce snoring. There are multiple reasons that can cause snoring, but typically when we're sleeping, our breathing patterns can change and we tend to breathe more from our mouths. So this can lead typically to a dry throat at night, so using a humidifier can really help moisturize your throat and reduce that snoring for a better night's sleep. If you didn't know already, a humidifier is also great for relieving asthma symptoms. So if you suffer from asthma, you might sometimes struggle with things like shortness of breath, tight lungs, coughing, wheezing, and even more frustrating issues. But luckily, some extra humidity in the air can really help loosen up your lungs, soothe your throat, and make your asthma a bit more manageable. You might not have even thought about this one, but babies and young children especially benefit from being around a humidifier. At an early age, their skin is extremely sensitive and it can make them more prone to things like dryness and illnesses. And they're also just unable to express the discomfort that they might be feeling from things like congestion, dryness, and chapped lips. But a humidifier can really help relieve all of these symptoms to help them breathe easily, have better sleep, and to keep your baby and young children healthy without having to worry about using any invasive tools or even medicine. The extra moisture in the air from your humidifier helps to moisturize your plants as well. If you're like me and have a lot of houseplants, then the extra humidity can really keep your plants' soil and leaves really damp and nice, which is exactly what they need to grow. I might not have much of a green thumb and I kind of struggle with keeping my indoor plants alive, but humidifiers really help to keep my plants healthy and happy. And finally, a humidifier can help keep your home in top condition. Your furniture, wooden floors, and even if you have any instruments lying around your house, they all need extra moisture if you didn't know already. For example, if wood gets too dry, it can actually end up cracking and splitting, which is not good for your floors because they can get a lot of damage, but extra moisture can really help maintain all of your furniture such as sofas, tables, and more. And overall, a humidifier is really necessary to help keep your home in top shape and make sure it lasts as long as possible. If you want to know more about humidifiers, be sure to check out some of our other YouTube videos on our channel. And if you want to learn more about Perfect Aire's products, check out our website right here. My name is Ren. Thank you so much for watching.